Hey guys, how are you? As you can see, this mobile Tecno F4 and connect to Wi-Fi hotspot. This mobile Tecno F4, I'm showing you about this model. You can see here in this mobile, F4P Google account problem. As you can see, this mobile Tecno F4. So I want to remove this F4P without computer. First of all, you have to insert any SIM in this mobile. As you can see, I am follow my step by step. And if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video. So now click emergency call and use two finger and emergency information. Click pencil and add contact and choose any contact. After that, click on icon, as you can see. So now you have to click three dot and share. Here you can see message, hold on message and F information. After that, scroll down SMS app and open links. Scroll down on YouTube, open on icon YouTube, app notification, additional settings, and then you have to go in about, lost in about. Now guys, click YouTube term of service and accept. No thanks. So now you have to search frpfile.com in this tab, frpfile.com / bypass, as you can see, and click go. Now guys, you have to scroll down and download Google Account Manager 8 version. Continue and allow. Okay, now you have to download bypass FRP 1.0 APK. Bypass FRP 1.0. So guys, now you have to click on three dot and go in download tabs. There are two application download and install Google Account Manager. As you can see, install this application. After that, click done and then install bypass FRP. This application installing now, and now open this application. And so click three dot, browse sign in. After that, okay, and now you have to sign in your Gmail account. Here enter your Gmail address. When you enter your Gmail address, and then you have to click next. After that, enter your password, Gmail, and sign in. So now it's working now. Signing complete. So guys, signing complete. Now you have to restart your mobile. Press the power button and swipe up. Mobile will restart automatically, as you can see. Do it. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. It's working now. So guys, get started, and now you have to get start. Escape and continue. Escape and not now. Click escape anyway. So now you have to more and I agree and no thanks. Just a second, it's working now. So guys, now select your country and click next and next. Do it. FRP is removed now. And guys, if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Now I am going to next videos. Bye, be back later and take care.